Okay, so this question one actually show us two genes in the Drosophila. So the first gene is the gene that control the leg, the S gene. And the second gene is the gene that control the body, which is the H gene. All right, so in the questions, it does not further show us what is the relationship between the gene. Yeah, so that's why, yep, we can actually consider them as the normal Mendel's model. All right, and then you can see over here, the cross is made between the SSHH and the SSHH here. Okay, so this is definitely the dihybrid cross, yeah, so that's why the type is dihybrid. All right, and since this is the dihybrid cross, right, and it is under the normal Mendel's model, so we will use the type 1 method to solve these questions. Right, so the type 1 means that first step, we will find the genotype of the parent. Then second step, we will find the gamete that can be produced by the parents. And then lastly, do the cross and find the phenotypic or the genotypic ratio. Yeah, so that would be the three step. So yeah, that's the type 1 method, yeah, to solve this question. Okay, so from the questions, we already know that this is the genotype of the parent. Yeah, the question's already given that. So for the parent, the genotype is dominant S, then dominant H, and the recessive H, then dominant S, recessive, then homozygous recessive H. So this is the parent. So this is first step done. Then next, second step is we will find all the possible gamete. Yeah. So as usual, we will draw the Punnett square in order to list out all the gamete that can be produced by each of the parent. Yeah. Okay. So the first parent, this parent, yeah, it is going to produce how many types of the gamete? It's going to produce the first type is the big S, big H. Okay, so second would be the big S and small h, right? Then, yep, there's only two that can be produced. So for the second parent, it is going to produce a big S, small h, and then second would be a small s, small h, two types of the gamete as well. So big S, small h, and small s, small h. Okay, so once we have all the gamete, then next is, yes, we will do the cross. So yep, we'll cross one by one. Now, after we have done that, next is we will see what the questions want. The question is asking for a normal fry. It's asking for a normal fry, yeah, the proportion of obtaining the normal fry. Okay, so uh, that will means that the offspring, yeah, the offspring must have the normal leg and also normal body. Yes, it is asking for the normal fry, yeah, the normal fry with normal, that is normal for both of the character. Yeah, both of the character. Yeah, so that's why must have normal leg, that means that at least one big S, and then normal body, at least one big H. So what we have here, so we will see this individual have one big S and one big H. So this is the individual that will have the normal body and normal leg. So this is the second one. But the rest would not be because they are having uh, the hairy body. Yeah, so that's why these two are not. Right. So with that, yeah, with that we can now confirm. Okay, two of these individual are the normal fry. Okay, so with that, you want to find the proportion of the normal fry. So it would be equals to 2 over the total number would be 4. So that's why the proportion would be 1 over 2. So this is how we solve the question 1.